Do you remember the 90s? It's the decade we first learned about digital transformation and when the internet slowly started to change everything. Automation technology was still at an early age when WAGO set yet another world standard. Knowing that digitalization would also increase the complexity and diversity of future electronics and connection technology, WAGO came up with a groundbreaking idea, the I/O system, combining electronic components with terminal block-like casing. Unlike anything on the market before, the system was modular and thus allowed for different functions. It was expandable, easy to replace, and most importantly, independent of protocol, an unknown freedom and flexibility. No wonder WAGO technology was soon found in buildings, ships, and machines to save valuable time and money, and WAGO began to grow its expertise in a new sector.